Hello everybody, Aaron Shiner here. Welcome to another how-to video for Jigglar. I'm really excited about today's video because normally when I'm making how-to videos, I'm showing you as agents what you could do to promote a new marketing idea to potential customers. Today, I'm going to show you something different, and that is a pre-listing questionnaire. These are the exact questions that you can use to pre-sell yourself to a potential seller on why they should choose you. While everybody else is just asking what's your name, what's your number, and when can you come and see me, you're going to be asking some really important questions to pre-sell you to that seller on why you are the best agent to choose. And more importantly, normally the documents I show you are normally business to customer documents. And as I said, that's normally for you to create and hand out. This document is realistically designed to use internally. So the way that you would do it is create some of these, print maybe 30, 40, 50 out, put them on the desk next to you. So when those potential seller appraisal calls come in, you've got the questions to ask. Now, I've included 12 of the questions that I think are super important to ask on a phone call to book in that listing presentation. But here's the homework. I recommend you get in, you look at my 12 questions, and you may want to change some to better suit your marketplace or your personality or style. But even if you say, Aaron, I'm happy with the ones we've got here, these are proven and tested in the marketplace and they consistently work. In fact, these are the questions when I was listing and selling that helped me list exclusively over 200 properties a year, 3 years in a row. So I know for a fact that it can help you. So really simple. Let me show you where you can find it. So on the dashboard here of Jigglar, just move straight into stationery, and you will find it in the A4 portrait section. So there you have it, just there. So here's the homework. Get in, customize it, ask and insert some of your questions, print them out and start using them to pre-sell yourself on why the seller should be using you over your competition. While they're just asking when can they come over, you're asking some great questions to find out seller's motivation, what the seller expects and what they want out of their agent, and also what their opinion of market value is. Follow these 12 questions and watch your appraisal to listing conversion explode. I've enjoyed making this video for you. Keep an eye out for future videos as we've got some great new templates launching shortly. Have a great day, list and sell, happy jiggling, and bye for now.